to play the guitar. You're too big for your boots. You're never too big for the view. I got the big size towards my feet. Your face ain't big for my views. Kick up for you. I know that I kick up for you. Then why dare try to suck the truth? How dare you to suck the truth? You're talking way too big for your boots. You're never too big for the view. I got the big size towards my feet. Your face ain't big for my views. Kick up for you. I know that I kick up for you. Then why dare try to suck the truth? How dare you to suck the truth?
I was 6 years old, I broke my leg. I was running from my...
By me saying that I enjoy SmackDown more than Raw, I'm not saying that it's the best it's ever been. I'm not saying that this SmackDown that happened just this past week is Attitude Era enjoyment SmackDown, okay? It isn't fucking Rock, New Age Outlaws, Shawn Michaels SmackDown.
Insane. What's the insurance?
1,000 something.
To be fair, that's quite good. Dickhead.
You're a fucking idiot.
Say a little. But he had a little bit of momentum going into that for like a year or two before. But you know, when he won the title, and then obviously when he turned on John Cena in the ring when he teased retirement, I mean that's one of the moments that stands out more than anything. But he had quite a few matches with Daniel Bryan as well. I think a lot of people forget. When Daniel Bryan got the belt originally.
Why don't you leave them alone? You don't understand it. And then, by the way, all of those guys that love Japanese wrestling, and then people.
And the thing that makes it worse is the bigger the performer that comes into work with him, selling it makes it even worse. I mean, it's okay if it's if it's a gym in in front of 400 people and it just goes viral, that's okay. But now it's like everywhere, isn't it?
Didn't even fucking look.
So big now, like he has to do it everywhere he goes.
Stupid bitch.
And this is just a funny little stroke.
What the fuck are you walking right through? Like this in the background. What the fuck is it with you? What don't you fucking understand?